The 2021 1-cent coin of the United States of America, commonly known as the penny, continues a long and fascinating tradition that stretches back over 2 centuries. Though small in value, this coin carries deep historical meaning and reflects the evolving identity of the nation. The modern penny, including the 2021 issue, features the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, a design that has remained in place since 1909. That year marked the 100th anniversary of Lincoln's birth, making the penny the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure. The obverse design used on the 2021 penny is based on a sculpt by Victor David Brenner. His initials, VDB, can still be found on the coin today, placed subtly near Lincoln's shoulder. This portrait shows Lincoln in a dignified and thoughtful pose, symbolizing his leadership during one of the most challenging periods in American history, the American Civil War. Above the portrait appears the word liberty, while the motto, "In God We Trust," arches along the top edge. To the right of Lincoln is the year 2021, marking the coin's place in the ongoing timeline of U.S. currency. The reverse of the 2021 penny features the Union Shield design, which was introduced in 2010. This design symbolizes the strength and unity of the nation, particularly during Lincoln's presidency. The shield includes 13 vertical stripes representing the original colonies, joined together by a single horizontal bar at the top, signifying the federal government holding the nation together. Across the shield is a banner inscribed with 1 cent, while above it reads United States of America, and the national motto, E pluribus unum, appears above the shield. This Latin phrase means, out of many, one, reflecting the unity of diverse states and people. The Union Shield design was created by Lyndall Bass, whose work emphasizes the theme of national cohesion. The design replaced the earlier Lincoln Memorial reverse, which had been used from 1959 to 2008, and the special bicentennial designs of 2009 that celebrated Lincoln's life in 4 stages. In terms of composition, the 2021 penny is made primarily of zinc, with a thin copper plating. This composition has been in use since 1982, when rising copper prices made it too expensive to produce pennies from solid copper. The coin weighs 2.5 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. Its edge is plain, and its color retains the familiar reddish-brown tone associated with traditional pennies, although over time circulation can cause it to darken. The 2021 pennies were minted at 3 major facilities operated by the United States Mint. These include Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins minted in Philadelphia typically do not carry a mint mark, while those from Denver bear a D, and San Francisco issues coins with an S, usually as proof coins intended for collectors. Proof coins are specially struck using polished dies and planchets, resulting in a sharper and more reflective appearance compared to regular circulation coins. The year 2021 was notable in the broader context of American history, as the nation continued to navigate the effects of the global COVID-19 pandemic. Although the design of the penny did not change to reflect this event, coins minted during this time serve as historical artifacts that connect future generations to this period. Many collectors appreciate coins not only for their design but also for the stories they carry about the time in which they were produced. Despite its low monetary value, the penny remains one of the most widely recognized coins in the United States. It is often used in everyday transactions, charitable donations, and educational settings. However, the penny has also been the subject of ongoing debate. Some economists and policymakers argue that the cost of producing the coin exceeds its face value, raising questions about its continued use. Others defend the penny as an important cultural and historical symbol. Collectors of U.S. coins, known as numismatists, often include the 2021 penny in their collections as part of a complete Lincoln cent series. While most 2021 pennies are common and widely circulated, certain versions, such as high-quality uncirculated coins or proof coins, may hold additional value. Errors and varieties, though rare, can also make specific coins more desirable to collectors. The legacy of the Lincoln penny is deeply tied to the life and achievements of Abraham Lincoln, who is remembered for preserving the Union and ending slavery through the Emancipation Proclamation. His presence on the coin serves as a constant reminder of these ideals and the ongoing pursuit of equality and unity in the United States. Over time, the penny has become more than just a unit of currency. It is a symbol of tradition, a piece of history that people can hold in their hands. The 2021 1-cent coin continues this legacy, linking the past with the present and carrying forward the values represented by its design. In conclusion, the 2021 United States 1-cent coin may be small in size and value, but it holds significant historical and cultural importance. From its iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln to the symbolic Union shield on its reverse, every detail of the coin reflects a story about the nation's identity and heritage. Whether used in daily transactions or preserved in a collection, the 2021 penny stands as a lasting reminder of the enduring legacy of the United States and its history.